Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation, and in this basically we are discussing the topic that is text box. So one person told that yeah, the things basically normally basically people don't understand if condition only basically because there are multiple if conditions, multiple of for conditions. To write the business logic basically it's so difficult. So how basically they might be hijacking, right? Basically. So for that basically the oracle is the best person basically. Oracle basically, who is the Oracle owner basically? Let's basically check. Larry basically. So he is basically the owner basically of the Oracle Corporation basically. So one person basically asked the question basically. He is the best person basically who can explain you the exact roadmap basically of the each and every areas how to hijack basically because he has designed the entire roadmaps basically. For example, one person told that I want to move to Mumbai. So how basically he can move from Vadodara to Mumbai? So the people who created the road maps, they only can understand, na, basically. They only can give the perfect answer, basically. They only basically can give the perfect answer. Same way, basically, in IT industry also, to access the areas, basically. These groups are the best people, basically, who can basically give the best answer, basically. But here, basically, this person basically might be little bit basically might be having the idea that if condition equal to 1,000 cities because he is the owner, so he 100% basically might be having the idea. I have told that basically in America basically few people knows, so in this few people basically he might be one of the person basically, he might be 100% basically. That's why basically he's the owner of the oracle, basically. Why basically he has given the name the oracle of the owner basically. So that's why basically he have the road. He basically created the roadmap. Basically, the other peoples are not using his roadmap. Basically, that you create roadmap, I will use it. It's not like that. Basically, he knows everything. Basically, so here basically we are not discussing the doing the marketing of Oracle. Basically, otherwise lots of people says that अरे भाई ये तो Oracle की marketing करने लगा. So we are not doing the marketing of Oracle basically. If you go with Microsoft SQL Server basically, they also have the data basically. They also have the diagram basically of the each and every area. So one of the person told that if condition equal to that bank money transfer basically I just now told basically money is basically going to from to from account basically everybody knows that is 1 lakh crore basically is going to transfer from one account to account is the another account basically. This basically they will do the hijacking. So who can track basically the two account? Who account two account basically who can track? Nobody basically. Why? Because in this world basically there are many money holder people basically whose money basically banks are telling that basically we can't keep your money, that much money basically they have. So where their money basically are, there might be some place, right, basically. So that place basically the area basically where this money gets transferred. Why? Because the bank is not listed, no, basically, but the 1,000 city equal to if condition. That access this group basically have fully. That's why basically somebody basically watched this video and immediately basically the American government taken the decision that don't take the tax amount of the software company owner. But that is if they will take also basically taking also money also, then also anything was going to happen. Nothing, no, basically nobody is asking basically that in previous video basically I told that basically you are paying the tax amount, you have the authority to ask. So that doesn't mean that basically lots of people might be asking basically. But if they are asking, then basically you have to tell the answer basically. If Indian government, but Indian government only don't know, na, basically. They will transfer the ball to American government. That you are basically handling software, so you handle it. So that's basically Indian group basically. And here basically one of the person told that see few Indians basically. They how they do the plans. This person basically planned 1983, sorry 1982 World Cup and 1980, sorry 2000, 211 I think 2011 World Cup basically. So one of the person told that see the people here, Indian people see basically how they basically do the plans basically. And in this plan basically we have told that basically that World Trade Center basically for that basically 1980, 1991 or 92 basically the money was collected. So this group basically say that basically if you have given task to us, that means 100% will task will happen. Few people are like that basically. If we have given this task to this person, that means you have to understand that basically this task is done. So that's why basically this person, that is this person basically given the 1982 World Cup and 2011 World Cup to this person basically. And he basically don't believe any of the people basically. So he given his relative, that is this person basically. I am 100% sure basically he is relative, but he is Marathi basically. So in front of the world basically this person basically is Bihari, but really basically the person who hitted the six na basically he was Maharashtrian basically. I am 100% sure basically. If you want to write down somewhere basically, you can write down it basically. Because this person basically I know basically he's from Vadodara city and he don't believe anyone basically. Because he know na basically what he's doing. Because he know actually what he's doing. He know that basically he has collected money of 2000 September 11 uh, 2001 World Trade Center basically hit. That money this group has collected. And he basically done the task also. He selected few people. This group basically have good contacts with Afghanistani people. Afghanistani group basically done the task. So one of the person told that how basically you are so 100% confident basically. Because it might possible one day basically the Gaikwad will come and tell that basically, भाई सुनील तेरे को कैसे पता चला? Might possible basically. And in that basically lots of things basically will come into picture also basically. Entire Indian police department will come into picture basically. An entire businessmen basically who are connected with this Sajira Gaikwad basically. They will come basically. And mostly basically people um, are running business from India only basically. Because they know which kind of person he is also. So here basically we are not going into individual parts basically. We are connecting to if condition. One person told us basically I want to hijack this Sayajira Gaikwad's money. So he told that basically that is not possible here until basically you don't have the data access of individual group basically, individual area basically where this Gaikwad is staying. You can't access because his body energy is the excess part basically. So in next video basically we are going to see that only.